things you can do now to prepare for immigration reform.
Last week, you've seen plenty of videos about the U.S. Citizenship Act of 2023, a bill that will give a 7-year path for undocumented immigrants to eventually be able to apply for a green card, and many other changes to our immigration laws. Now remember, this is just a bill, and if passed, probably is going to look a little bit different than what the proposal looks like today. But no matter what it's going to look like in its final version, there are certain things you need to do now to prepare for any immigration changes. Number one, prepare your identity documents and keep them in a safe place. Birth certificates, marriage certificates, passports, even if expired, IDs, entry documents. If you came here 10, 15 years ago and you came legally and you overstayed, keep all these records in a safe place. Number two, any criminal records, certified records of convictions, arrests, anything like that. You may need that one day when you apply for any immigration benefits. Some people get arrested in one state, then move to another state. Obtain those records and keep them in a safe place, because one day you're going to need those. Number three, one of the most important things you can do now is apply for a FOIA. Under the Freedom of Information Act, obtain your records if you had any interactions with the government, immigration, CBP, ICE, the State Department. All these agencies, you can apply for a FOIA and get a record to see if you were arrested, determine how many entries you had, and things like that. Get your FOIA records now, because FOIA is taking a long time and you don't want to wait for the last minute. Number four, taxes. If you file taxes, if you're working, even if you're undocumented, keep records of all your taxes. In many of these reforms, they do want to see that people file their taxes, and it's going to be one of the requirements in the documents you need to submit. Many people apply for a tax ID number, ITIN, and that's how they file their taxes. Number five, in every immigration reform and every immigration change over the years, they're asking you for proof of your presence in the United States. For example, under this act, they want to see people that were here in the past 5 years. Doctor visits, bills, anything that you've done, tickets that you paid, went to the bank. Keep records of physical presence in the United States in the past 5 years at least, because those are the things that the bill is going to require, and you're going to have to prove that you've been here. They want to prevent the flood of people entering the United States once this becomes law. There you have it. Share this video with anybody they think will benefit from this. Start getting ready. Let's keep our fingers crossed that this will pass. And don't forget to follow me for more updates just like this one.